Hey everyone, I'm Danny from Danny Compare, and today we are comparing two credit building cards, the Destiny MasterCard and the Credit One Platinum Visa. If you're working to improve your credit and wondering which card fits best, this video is for you. First up, the Destiny MasterCard. It's tailored for people with no or poor credit and reports to all three bureaus. But it carries steep fees, an upfront annual fee of $175 in the first year, then $49 annually, plus a 12 monthly fee after the first year, which totals $150 a year. Its APR is sky high at 35.9%, and credit limits max out around $700. In essence, it gives access to credit, but with significant costs. On the flip side, there's the Credit One Platinum Visa. Also unsecured and reporting to all three bureaus, it offers 1% cash back on eligible purchases. The annual fee is variable, about $39 recently, but could be $75 in the first year and $99 later, depending on creditworthiness. Its APR sits around 29.5%. Like Destiny, it starts with a low credit limit, typically $300, but may offer automatic reviews for credit line increases in your life. But that is that who's the fours? Destiny may be a last resort option if you can't qualify for secured cards, though the fees are high. Credit One Platinum is better if you're fair credit and want small cashback benefits with potential credit growth. The Pastanimembi prize, it's always a finally for us. Now, let's look at the major differences in a quick table for easy reference. Annual fee, Destiny is $175 first year, $49 after, $12.50 a month. Credit One, typically $39 to £99 a year. APR, Destiny, 35.9%, Credit One, 29 to 30%. Credit limit, Destiny up to $700, Credit One starts $300, may grow. Rewards, Destiny has none, Credit One gives 1% cash back on select purchases. Reporting, both report to all three credit bureaus. Credit line increases, Destiny not guaranteed, Credit One reviews automatically as University. In summary, choose Destiny MasterCard only if you have no other options and can manage the hefty fees responsibly. Choose Credit One Platinum Visa if you'd like to earn some rewards and have a better path to credit line increases. Just watch the variable annual fee. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to Danny Compare. Let me know in the comments which card you're leaning toward or if you want a comparison with secured cards like Discover It or Capital One. Thanks for watching. See you next time.